Welcome to Season 3 of Superior Angling TV, brought to you by AmSoil, the first in synthetics.
Welcome to one of my favorite towns around Lake Superior, Wawa, Ontario. We are here with my good buddy Brett. It is nasty cold outside. Morgan and I drove over from Duluth last night. It's about an 8.5, 9-hour drive. Temps are about as cold as I've ever fished in. So we arrived here at the Wawa Motor Inn and had a good night's sleep. And now it's early morning. We are packing things up and we're gonna head out into the bush and go chase some fish. But what are we going for today?
So we're gonna start out the day with brook trout, and then we'll probably end up switching gears over to lake trout.
Awesome. We're gonna see how the day plays out. Brook trout are a little bit more timid in really cold weather like this, right?
Yeah, they'll shut down lots of times.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure, you know, there's lakes out there where they turn on, but you're saying some lakes around here, it kind of makes them a little hesitant and not as active when it's literally negative 40 degrees outside. So from my experiences, when it's high pressure and really cold weather, your lake trout bite good. So that's what we're planning on for the last half of the day. Or maybe if, you know, we've brook trout fish for an hour or two and nothing happens, we're gonna switch to lake trout right away. So we're just kind of going into this with an open mind, putting safety first when it's this cold out. So, you know, bring two of everything, 2 augers, 2 heaters, especially 2 ice houses. You know, you just don't know what's gonna happen out there and you have to stay safe. So we're gonna pack up here and leave right here from the Wawa Motor Inn and head out into the woods. How long was the snowmobile ride?
Should be around 10 to 15 miles.
10 to 15 mile snowmobile ride in this cold weather. That's not gonna be an easy task in itself, but we are gonna pack up and head on out, eh?
Yep.
All right, let's go after it.
means everything to you. That's why we put our everything into fueling it. We're here for you, every moment, every day, every season, with a dependable propane supply and competitive pricing plans that fit your budget. Superior Fuel, Switch and save up to $500 annually on your propane. Visit savewithsuperior.com.
The great outdoors is headed indoors, February 13th through the 17th for the 53rd Annual Duluth Sports Show. Everything to do with the outdoors is at this family getaway. Meet Time Bandit Captain Jonathan Hillstrand as seen on Discovery Channel's Deadliest Catch. Manufacturers are on hand showcasing the newest products, and retailers will be offering show specials. The biggest selections of boats and RVs all under one roof. Talk with resorts and outfitters and plan your next trip. Details at minnesotasportshow.com.
Protect your investments this winter with an enclosed trailer from Wittis Trailer Sales, located in Esco. We also sell cargo trailers, utility trailers, snowmobile trailers, and much more. Did you know we stock a full line of Heinecker snowplows? While you're here, shop the largest selection of Mahindra tractors in the area. Don't forget about our service center, ready to tackle jobs of any size. Wittis Trailer Sales in Esco, where customers become friends.
Hey everybody, it's time to go ice fishing, and no place better to shop than Marine General. Ice tents, augers, fish finders and underwater cameras, rods and combos, boots, gloves, jackets and bibs. And the best prices anywhere. Marine General, London Road in Duluth.
Come on into Marine General and get outdoors with us.
All right, we got our holes drilled. We're gonna set up the house just for warmth and kind of a base camp, get some heat going, keep our batteries warm, fish in there, pop outside and fish outside for a little bit, go back in the house and warm up. It's cold, but there's no wind, and I hope these fish are gonna bite, so. Oh, it's just even work drilling holes. I mean, it's just, when it's this cold, everything's a little more difficult, but just take your time. Be patient with things, and you'll be on fish.
Okay, so in Ontario, we're allowed 2 rods a person or 2 lines a person. So we're gonna be jigging and also have a live minnow set up on a tip up. Orange hooks generally work really good for wintertime brook trout. So we're gonna utilize both rods we're allowed, and we'll end up catching fish on both. Just a little guy. Hold them up for you guys. Just a little brook trout. The big ones are so far eluding us today. We've had them on the camera and come in, but haven't got a real big one yet. Oh, fish.
Eat.
Oh, no. Are you?
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Step up, right there. There he is. Little guy.
Oh.
Wow, look at the spots on that. Unbelievable how gorgeous and special these fish are. Well, buddy, what do you think? We put some good brook trout on the ice, but now I think it's time to go chase some lake trout, huh?
Yeah.
And you have a decent lake in mind that's within a reasonable snowmobile distance on a day like today, so should we go give that a shot?
Yeah, we should go do about 10-mile snowmobile ride, and then we'll go fish a lake trout lake, which is really good. We seem to do a lot better on tip-ups over deep water, just suspended underneath the ice.
Perfect.
Jigging doesn't seem to work as good, there, so we're gonna go and set up some tip-ups, and we'll be able to stay warm in the water ice shack and
Good.
end the day good.
Yeah, so tip-up's kind of, I mean, that's perfect just because, I mean, it's difficult to fish outside. My line just broke. I mean, I was just taking ice off it and it broke. So, I mean, it's just almost too cold to use rod and reel. So, tip-up fishing for lake trout sounds perfect. Let's pack up the outer hub and get on the way, huh?
Sounds good.
Beautiful. Again, we're gonna be happy with just a few fish on a day like today because these are extreme conditions. But isn't it pretty out here? The sun's shining. There's nobody within a long ways. Tons of snow. It's fun. This is awesome. This is why we love coming up here. But you deal with the challenges at the same time.
So we're gonna be fishing mostly tip-ups in this lake. Over the years, we've realized that tip-ups just suspended in mid-water column will work a lot better in this lake, and it should be not long before we get a bite on them.
But again, we're in, like, how deep right now?
180 feet.
180 feet right now. I mean, just mind-blowing. And this isn't that big of a lake, so that's just insane how deep it is. And these trout literally swim like 15 to 20 feet down from under the ice.
Yeah, and just cruise along the ice, and then they'll eat your live bait right below the ice.
Crazy. And that's kind of a different style tip-up. So again, that spool sits all the way below the water, right? So it's not going to freeze up.
Yeah, so it won't freeze, and then as soon as the fish just pulls, it will pop this, and then it will just free spin. Is that a fish? Flag up. Got him.
Got him.
Fish on. You went for a good run. Oh, there he is. Nice dark lake turf.
Yes, that's awesome. That's our first fish. I love it. Look how dark that is. That's pretty. That's pretty. Oh man.
Dip them.
Oh man. How rewarding is that to get a fish like that? That wasn't out more than 5 minutes. Awesome. Whew.
Good way to start the
Yeah,
day.
he choked that too, huh?
Did he?
Yeah.
Followed.
Maybe he might be dinner, huh?
He might be, yeah.
What's your slot limit on lake trout?
It's 2 any size here.
Cool. Yeah, he might be. That'd be a good one for dinner.
Yeah.
He's freezing and that hook is right down his throat.
Sounds good.
Cool. So we just, gonna put the tip up back in the hole just so all that line doesn't freeze. You just got to do whatever it takes to prevent ice up and keep things working on a day like today.
Oh, flag, that one too.
Flag, 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 flag. Awesome. It's crazy how much lining gone.
Just popped it.
Nothing. Nothing. Did he chew? Yeah, there's tooth mark in him. He hit it. He hit it. We'll get it back down there. Came close. All right, bummer.
I'll go set this up. Oh, Grant, he's back.
He's back?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was the tip up was going down the hole. Okay, I was just looking at the upset, another tip up, and Grant just missed one here. And then here's here.
That's a nice fish.
And the line is going down the hole.
Look how dark that one is. Holy cow. I guarantee you that's the same trout that ate it.
Yeah, they just robbed you and he come back, eh?
And
It's kind of funny, you could see line go down the hole, and then I saw the tip up actually move.
That's incredible.
Oh, flag, Grant.
Yes, another one.
Look at that. It's almost out of line. It's almost out of line. Holy cow. Look how much line's left on that spool.
Not very much.
This feels heavier.
Yeah?
This feels heavier. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Holy cow, what's going on? We're close. We're getting peeled out. That fish wasn't happy. Look at that one, buddy. Nice. Yeah. Look at that. That is a backwoods Canadian lake trout. Look at how dark they are. Look at that fish. I can't get over how beautiful these are. Look at that. I mean, again, we don't see that around Minnesota, so in Ontario, special. I love that.
The Great Outdoors is headed indoors February 13th through the 17th for the 53rd Annual Duluth Sports Show. Everything to do with the outdoors is at this family getaway. Meet Time Bandit Captain Jonathan Hillstrand as seen on Discovery Channel's Deadliest Catch. Manufacturers are on hand showcasing the newest products, and retailers will be offering show specials. The biggest selections of boats and RVs all under one roof. Talk with resorts and outfitters and plan your next trip. Details at minnesotasportshow.com.
Winter is here, and so are the savings on Lund and Crestliner boats at RJ Sport & Cycle located in Duluth. We are your fishing boat headquarters for sales, service, rigging, and much more. Shop our great selection of boats for a variety of fishing styles, including Lake Superior trolling, inland lake walleye, panfish, and much more. From tillers to side consoles and full windshield models, we sell them all. Stop in and see us today at RJ Sport and Cycle, located off Miller Trunk Highway in Hermantown.
When we care about something, it shows. To help protect these things, call on the knowledge and experience of a local independent insurance agent that you know and trust. Some things we just can't afford to lose, and that is why we exist, because the worst brings out our best. Holden Insurance, Duluth and Superior.
From opening weekend to the end of the season, you want every outing to be a success. AMSOIL synthetic lubricants provide next-level engine protection, both on the lake and on your way to it. Keep your mind on what's important this weekend. Choose AMSOIL. Reliable as your favorite lure and as dependable as your secret spot. Visit AMSOIL.com to find AMSOIL products near you.
And now, it's time for this week's Markham Moment, brought to you by Markham Technologies.
Our Markham says 160 feet, so like it's deep. Unlike the LX6, 7, 9, you have the digital systems. They're completely customizable as to what screen you want to see. So we're going to put a zoom window on one and zoom in from like 0 to 20 feet. And that way we can really see exactly where our lure is. Versus looking at a whole flasher dial that's 160 feet deep, it's hard to tell exactly where your lure is because the scale is just so big. We're going to change it and put a zoom window on here so we can get our lures exactly 15 feet under the ice. So yeah, as you can see, it's the whole screen. It's hard to see exactly where 15 feet is. So you hit display options, and we're going to turn the graph display off. So now we just have our big flasher dial. Now we go like this, display options, vertical zoom is on. We're just going to hit the zoom button, and we're going to put that a little bit deeper. So right there's our lure right now at 13 feet. So that's just how nice a zoom window is.
He's going. Got him?
Yeah. Woohoo! Man, they just take off.
They smoke it and go a long distance with it. Maybe not a bad one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
there we go. Good job.
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah. That was a better one so far.
Yeah.
They're so beautiful. They're so pretty. Just dark, clean. Oh.
Leg up, same hole.
Same hole, 5 minutes later, we're hooked up.
Got a boy. Got a boy. These fish are turned on, huh?
They're going, they're biting today, even
They
in
are.
the cold.
That's what I like about lake trout. Sometimes it seems like the higher the pressure and the colder it is, the better they bite.
Exactly.
So like your walleyes and brook trout and stuff might shut down, but your lake trout, that's a good one too. Look at that. Nice one, buddy.
Big fins on the guy.
Super big fins.
Really nice fish.
Oh, we got another one.
Flag.
This is crazy. This is crazy. Crazy. What do we do? I don't know what to do.
We'll get him on hook.
Your dad's got that one. This is pure madness.
We'll let him go. And gone. And let's get to that one.
We got ice. We got trout. Ooh, this feels good.
Yeah?
This feels good. Holy cow. It feels really good. Unbelievable. That's all I got to say. We've had our challenges, but the fish are definitely the reward, and they did not let us down.
That's for sure.
What are we gonna see here? He's a good fighter, that's for sure. Oh, he just got off. He's on the hole. Yes. Oh, we were like, he got off, but he couldn't turn around in the hole. Look at that fish. He come unbuttoned right there.
It just kept on thrashing, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, did we get lucky? We've been lucky today. Oh, awesome. How much fun is that, buddy?
Beautiful orange on his fins.
These are like
as
the
well.
prettiest lake trout I've ever caught in my life. I just love how dark they are and how beautiful their fins are. And they've just put up such good action all throughout the day. I can't even believe it. How much fun is that? Oh, they've provided us a solid action all day long. We might keep this guy for dinner. That'll be 4 now. That's a good amount. We can go back and eat some lake trout, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
We've burned a lot of calories today running through this snow and there's all the work getting back here and everything else like that, but what a fun day we've had. I love it.
Beautiful.
I love it. We'll throw him on the ice, but no, I can't thank you enough for having us over, and what a fun day, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's been incredible. It's been battled the elements today and had great action all day long. Caught fish. They're all good fighters, and
yeah, you can't ask for much more. I mean, especially in a day like this. I mean, all you can ask for, first and foremost, is safety. You know, that you get in and get out fine, and you stay warm and safe on the ice. I mean, that's obviously #1 priority, especially when it's this cold. But the fish are just a bonus, and we were fortunate enough to see quite a few of them today. I mean, what a day it's been. So we hope we've instilled some adventure and some safety into your mind next time you head out on the ice. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.